Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look into the next searching algorithm, that is binary search. Okay, so what is binary search? So basically it divides the array in two halves, and first of all the array needs to be in sorted order. Okay, and then it divides the array in the two halves and check for the element from the middle. Okay, so based on that it will try to search the element. So let's deep dive into the code and understand what is binary search. Okay, so let's define a function, define binary search, and then we'll pass an array A and the element that needs to be searched. Okay, so first of all we need to define two variables. One is low, and high is nothing but the length of array minus 1, so that we do not encounter the index out of range. Okay, so next we will take a while loop where it should be low is less than or equal to high. Okay, so you can see that the code is like, whenever I type something, first like before I type every code, every variable or thing, it suggests me some lines, right? That is because I have installed black box. Okay, so you can also install it, but I insist you not to install, because then you will get a habit of that. Okay, so try to write the code yourself first. Okay, so while low is less than or equal to high, what we'll do is we will take one more variable mid, which is equal to low. Okay, low plus high floor division divided by 2. Okay, why floor division? Because we don't want any floating point. Okay, so first we need to have a condition where if a of mid, okay, by chance, okay, is equal to whatever element we are searching, we'll just return mid. Okay, so in the end we are trying to find the index. Okay, so if array of mid, okay, array of mid in the sense that is low plus high divided by 2, or floor division of 2, is equal to whatever element we are searching, then we are directly returning this index. Okay, else what we will do, else if, okay, if a of mid is less than x, okay, then what we'll do is we will increment this low by mid plus 1. As you can see, it is already suggesting me. Okay, so that we need to do. So low is equal to mid plus 1, else the last condition will be a of mid is greater than x, then we will reduce high by mid minus 1. Okay, so this is the code, binary code. Else what we will do, if there is no element, we will return minus 1. Okay, so here there is one flaw, because what if the array is not in sorted order? Okay, so what we'll do, first we'll sort the array, then we will do the operations. Okay, now let's print binary search. Let's pass an array, okay, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5, and let's search for the element 5. Okay, so it should return us index position of 4. Okay, so let's check this. Okay, so here you can see we have got the index as 4. Okay, what if I pass the element which is not present? So it will return us minus 1. Okay, so the code is working fine. Okay, and the time complexity is log of n. Okay, so in case of linear search, the time complexity was O of n. Okay, so it means it will increase like this, and log of n is like we are dividing the array itself in the half, right? So whenever it encounters, like, first of all it will delete the other side of the half of the array which we need not search, and it will traverse only to the remaining other side of the list, okay, or array. And similarly it goes on dividing. Okay, so you can also try this binary search using recursion. Okay, so this is via iteration method. You can try it using recursion also, it works. Okay, now suppose if I pass the elements in jumbled format. Okay, so let's see whether it works. 8 9 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6. Okay, and let's search for the element 9 itself. Okay, so let's see what it will get. So it is getting as index position 5, so we will get elements like 1. Okay, I will write it in the below position here, 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 6 comma 8 comma 9 will be the sorted list. Okay, so ninth position will be 0 1 2 3 4 and 5, so we are getting 5. So if I give 10 here, which is not present, so unexpected indent, it is saying y. Okay, sorry, I need to comment this. Yeah, so it is getting -1. Okay, so the code works fine. So this is binary search. First you need to define two variables, low and high, and then you need to check this condition like low is less than or equal to high, and then you need to find the mid of the array, and finally search for the elements. Okay, so in the end we will get this as an answer or this as an answer. Okay, so this will just increment and decrement, and in the end we will get this search answer. Okay, so hope this helps. So this was binary search, and next we will jump into the sorting algorithms. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, do hit the subscribe button, and until then, take care, bye bye.